if you're like me and you still haven't done so, I will show you how to claim your free 400 Uniswap tokens. Find out how in the next few minutes. Welcome to the channel if you still haven't subscribed, and if you want to learn about crypto from someone who first bought Bitcoin more than 7 years ago, and if you want to find new promising altcoins early, then make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so you get all the info as fast as possible. Let's claim the Uni. You're eligible if you provided liquidity or made a transaction on Uniswap before the 1st of September 2020. First, let's go to app.uniswap.org. Make sure you've connected your Metamask and go to the right side of the screen and hit claim your Uni tokens. And now just hit claim Uni again. Hit confirm. You now have 400 Uni. The price right now is around 330 USD, which is minus 60% from all-time high. Looking at the total value locked in Uniswap makes me want to hold my Uni tokens. It had just 110 million locked in August, which has grown to almost 3 billion USD by October. How long are you holding your Uni? How high can it go? Let us know in the comments.